Hi students, I'm Professor Fatima Price Khan, and I'm going to be your writing instructor. I'd like to give you an introduction to our Blackboard course site for Writing 4. Let's take a look together. Remember to watch this video in full screen mode, and you can always turn on closed captions, the CC at the bottom of the YouTube video, if you'd like to see subtitles for what I'm saying. Okay, so let's get started looking at our Blackboard course site. So when you enter Blackboard, you come to the announcements page. My Blackboard looks a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher, but it's basically the same thing. You should see a banner that has my name, along with our course name, Writing 4, and whatever the semester is. If you look on the left-hand side of Blackboard in our course site, you will see what's called the content area. And in the content area, you find links for everything you need for the class. So let me explain what some of these links are. You always arrive at the announcement page. Now, if you look below, you'll find the link to the virtual meeting. In the link to the virtual meeting, you'll find the actual link to our Zoom meeting and the password, as well as information about the course timings. Below virtual meeting, you find syllabus and textbook. And our syllabus is Great Writing 4, Great Essays, 5th edition. Make sure you get the 5th edition and not an older edition. A picture should appear there, but it's not. So let me just show you what it looks like. See, I think that's the Great Wall of China on the cover. Looks like this. Now you can order the paper book from any site you'd like, but make sure it arrives pretty quickly so that you're not waiting too long for it after the course starts. And if you prefer, you can purchase the textbook in the online version. It's more expensive this way, but some students do prefer to have the online ebook. And you would use this site here that I've linked for you if you prefer the online version. Below the textbook information is our course syllabus. I'm going to go over this with you in class, but if you'd like to read it early, of course you can. And that just contains more detailed information about our course. The next two links, coursework and journals, are actually the most important links that you'll be using on our course site during our 8-week semester. If you go into coursework, coursework is where you find what we did each day and what our assignments are. The assignments that appear are for the next course, the next day, excuse me. The assignments that appear there are for the next time or for whatever date specified inside the assignment itself. So you would read and it would say, today we did this, and your homework is this, that, and the other. And if you're ever absent, you need to look there. If you're ever not sure what the homework is, you need to look there. And to find all the specific details about what we did and what page numbers and everything, you will look there. So there's an entry for each day. So coursework is probably where you'll be looking most often. Every Wednesday, we are going to have a journal assignment. Journal assignments are assigned on Wednesday, and they're due anytime before the following class begins on Monday. So you have a journal assignment every Wednesday that's due every Monday. And of course, you could do it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as long as you get it done before class begins on Monday. So to do the journal assignments, you look here, you click on the entry that appears, and Blackboard can be funny. You have to create journal entry, and here's the journal question. Create journal entry. You can make whatever title you want. You type your journal. And when you're done typing your journal, you click post entry. And then the entry that you write will be saved, and I will be able to see it. We'll have a total of 7 journal assignments. Journals are assigned every Wednesday and due before class the next Monday. Don't forget your journals. So these 2 spots, coursework and journals, are where you're going to be looking most often for our course. Next, we have the discussion board. And after that, we have useful links and files. Useful links and files is where I store all important links for the class. If I show you a PowerPoint presentation, you can find it for that day in coursework, but you can also find it in useful links and files. You can also find model essays that I show you and any sort of extra things that I think will be useful for you. If you want some extra work on spelling, there's a link for that. There's a link about academic tone. So this is just for you to explore, and it's also where you can find some of the things I show you in class. After useful links and files, we have grammar videos. So this is not a grammar course. However, we do cover a review of certain grammar points that are useful for the styles of essays that we will be writing. So since it's just a review and not full grammar lessons, I post grammar videos to the points that we study in case you want more information. After grammar videos, we have my grades, which is where you find all of your grades. So notice you can find all of our essays, your journals, and so on. And you should check my grades regularly so you always know how you're doing in the class. And there are no surprises. If you ever need help, you can always ask me. After my grades, we have course objectives. And course objectives are also found in the syllabus, but I put them here for you. It basically just means what we do in class, what we study. So you can read this more carefully on your own. And then I have a section for ACC links, which are also found in the syllabus, but it's basically information about tech support or the ACC library and different things like that. So you can also take a look at this on your own. So basically that is an introduction to our Blackboard course site. And I'm looking forward to meeting you online on Zoom during our Zoom meetings and getting to know you. As always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And if you're watching this video that I sent you in an email, but you actually don't know how to find Blackboard, let me know and I'll help you find Blackboard in the first place so you can really get started. I'm sure most of you know how to find Blackboard, but if not, don't be shy, let me know. Okay, students, I'll see you soon. Nice to meet you, bye.